Hello art beaters, Becky here, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the best tools, jewelry making tools, to invest in if you're beginning your jewelry making journey, as well as how to use them. I'm also going to show you some of my favorite jewelry tools sets. I think these are great for getting started. So let's dive in and learn a little bit about some of those basic jewelry making tools. Okay, so some tools you're going to need to get started when you're first getting into jewelry making. You're going to want two sets of chain nose pliers, or a set of chain nose pliers and a set of flat nose pliers, or a set of chain nose pliers and a set of bent chain nose pliers. Why do you want two? This is essential for opening jump rings. You're going to want two pliers that work together to open jump rings, because this is the proper way of opening jump rings, by just twisting each end simultaneously very gently. So you'll want to, you can go for just two chain nose pliers, but maybe it might be more beneficial to you to get a different kind of plier, like the flat nose or the bent nose. This one's really great for getting into like really tiny little spaces, especially if you're working with a jump ring that's already attached to a jewelry design. You're also going to need the chain nose pliers for bending wire. If you're making loops or working with wire, making different wire shapes, you need that to work with the wire. So chain nose plier is a must. If you're just getting started building up your tool supply, you're also going to want a set of round nose pliers. Round nose pliers are essential for making simple and wrapped loops. So just as you need those chain nose pliers for making loops, you're going to also want the round nose pliers for making loops. See how nice that loop is? That's going to be essential, and the barrel does taper, so you can make the loops smaller or bigger. Also great for making wrapped loops and other wire work, wire shaping. So that's another essential tool for your jewelry making stash. Along with the round nose and chain nose pliers, you're also going to want a set of cutters. Side cutters are great, flush cutters, just a simple pair of cutters to get you started, so you can trim things like loops that you're making, trim wire ends, cut your beading jewelry wire, all kinds of different uses for the cutter. Also great in bead weaving, for especially if you have like nice little flush cutters like this. It's great when you're bead weaving, trimming threads. You can get really close into the thread with something like this. So definitely look into getting a nice pair of cutters. A great essential tool that you will want as a jewelry maker is a crimp tool. Now, we have videos and instructions for how to use this tool, but it is for closing crimps on jewelry wire. So it's got two notches, a rounder notch at the front and then a grooved notch here. This first notch here, that's what you're going to use to actually fold the crimp in on itself on your jewelry wire and secure it in place, and then you move it to this notch and fold it even more in on itself to make it even more secure. Again, we have videos on how to do that, more instructions on our website and on our YouTube channel. So crimpers, if you're going to be do basic bead stringing with beading jewelry wire and attaching clasps and jump rings and all that, you're going to want a nice pair of crimping tools. I also really recommend getting a bead scoop if you're looking at tools. Bead scoop is great for picking up your work area when you're done. I really like this long one for picking up seed beads, and the tapered end really makes it easy to get them all back in those smaller tubes and bags. And then this one is a great shovel for picking up lots of beads at a time. If you're just starting out as well, I would also recommend looking into a nice tool set. We have quite a few different tool sets to choose from at artbeads.com, and they come in these nice little leather zip pouches, and they usually include a lot of the tools you're going to need to get started. So I really like this one from the Bead Smith. I like this one because it includes a couple different tweezers. Tweezers are another essential that you're going to need, especially if you're doing any pearl knotting. So you've got these really nice like needle nose tweezers. I use these a lot. And then you've also got this really unique one that has that kind of curved end That's another good one for grabbing and gripping. So really great set just because of the inclusion of the tweezers. And then you've got all those other essential tools as well. You've got round nose pliers, you've got some really nice heavy duty cutters that are going to come in handy alongside your regular side cutters. You've got the chain nose pliers, the crimping tool, you've even got that bead scoop in there. That's another nice thing about this tool set, as well as a set of nylon jaw pliers, which is really great. You use this tool for straightening out wire ends, straightening out wire if you're shaping wire or working with wire a lot. So that's another really great essential tool. And it's all included in this cute little case, this little purple case. So this is one of my favorite tool sets. I got this when I was just starting out years ago, and I still use all of the tools in it to this day. It is a must. Another tool kit that we sell that I really like is this one that comes in this fun zebra print case. I like this one because it's really distinctive. You'll know it's yours because all of the tools have that zebra print as well. So you'll know which tools are yours, especially if you're like beading with friends. And it's this nice kind of slim case, really easy to pack around, travel with. This one also comes with that nice set of tweezers. It comes with chain nose pliers and then flat nose pliers as well, round nose pliers, side cutters, and what I love about this one is it also comes with a bead reamer tool. So this tool is great for widening up different stringing holes, and it's got a couple more heads hidden in the inside of the tool. So if you need them for different bead hole sizes, you've got that there. So a bead reamer, the more you start, the more you make jewelry, the more you might need a bead reamer, especially if you're doing knotting, because some of those holes are so fine, especially on pearls and gemstones, that you just need to open it up a little or maybe clear the finish of the bead, and a bead reamer is really going to come in handy for that. So I really like that this tool set comes with the bead reamer. And a couple different, I've got both of these tool sets at home and I use them together because you've got a couple different chain nose plier, flat nose plier options, and then you've got that great bead reamer in this one and a couple different tools in this one. So those are some of my favorite tool sets that we offer at Art Beads, but we do have other ones that you can take a look at. I highly recommend looking into a tool set if you're just getting started because it gives you a good amount of tools to get started with. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, whether you're just getting started with jewelry making or maybe you just needed to brush up on your tool knowledge. Maybe you haven't found that perfect set and maybe this video will help you. Either way, I hope it was helpful. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. We love hearing from you. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this one are out. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.